How to choose between mining pool and mining farm. Welcome to WOYOU channel, professional mining hosting and sales services. Newbies often at the beginning confuse mining pools and mining farms. Mining pool refers to a place that pools computing power for mining. It combines the computing power of all miners into one force to mine together. The mined coins are distributed to everyone according to a pre-agreed distribution method. This belongs to the virtual level. Mining farm refers to the place where your mining machines are hosted. A mining farm typically has from several hundred to tens of thousands of machines. It's a place that provides you with electricity and network services. This belongs to the physical level. How to choose a mining pool. When choosing a mining pool, we should prioritize pools with large hash rate. We can make comparisons on mining pool stats. Next, consider the pool's fee. Fees range from 0% to 4%. Factors affecting the fee include the mining mode and your miner hash rate. If the pool bears all the orphan block risks for you, then this mode is called PPS mode. PPS mode is the most expensive, basically around 4%. If you mine 100 BTC, then you roughly have to pay 4 BTC to the pool. For example, if your Bitcoin miner is currently hosted at our farm, our PPS fee can be as low as 1%, meaning for every 100 BTC you mine, we can save you 3 BTC. If you and the pool share the risks together, then this mode is called plunge mode. Usually, its fee rate is around 2%. If all risks are borne by yourself alone, then this mode is called solo mode. Its fee rate is generally around 0.5% to 1%. Some pools even offer it for free. Finally, we need to consider the minimum payout. For example, if you host a 293T machine at our WOYOU self-operated farm, hosting a 293T machine based on today's hash rate, the daily mining output is roughly 0.000117 BTC. If you use Viet-C, then it takes about 9-10 days to make a payment to you. If you use Ant Pool or F2 Pool, then it takes about 42 days to make a payment. If you use other pools, then refer to the minimum payout amount displayed on that pool. How to choose a mining farm. For newbies, this is a very important question. The first principle in choosing a mining farm is the electricity cost. Electricity cost is the core part of your mining profit. Low electricity costs can help you safely weather the winter of low coin prices. In addition to the base electricity cost, also ask clearly if there are any additional fees. WOYOU self-operated farm's electricity cost is 65 cents, plus a 3% power loss fee. There are no other extra charges. The second point to ask clearly is the ratio of operational staff to mining machines. It's best to have on-site maintenance technicians. Under long-term high-temperature environments, the failure rate of electronic products certainly exists. With on-site technicians, you can save a lot of time and shipping costs. The third point is whether the mined coins can be sent directly to your wallet address, and whether you can use the mining pool you want. Hosting at WOYOU only requires providing your wallet address. Coins are sent directly to your wallet address daily. If you have a specified pool, we can also accept that. The above is the content about the differences between mining pools and mining farms and how to choose. If you found this episode useful, please ring the bell. Subscribe to our content promptly so that we can push each episode to you in a timely manner. The latest practical information. See you.